From the previous video, everyone has been asking me to create a detailed video of the complete process that I use to get clients as a video editor. And even though, to be honest, I do not want to make this video because it will only build more competition for me, but I do not care about the competition. And therefore, in this video, you'll be seeing the exact behind the scene process of how I get clients as a video editor. You will get to know the complete outreach process, including the strategies, the scripts, the resources I use, how I research and find prospects for my outreach, and how to track these leads and follow up with them with another resource that I use. And all these resources will be free. I will also sharing my favorite way which helped me get inbound leads and get messages like this who pay you like this and get people to come to you for work instead of you going to them. So let's waste no time and get straight into it. But before diving into my complete client acquisition process, I'm going to be showing you some bad examples how not to reach out to people so that instead of working with you, they want to block you instead. So you can see these people who are reaching out to me. Even though I am a video editor myself, you can see that there is no research, no proof that you can edit good videos, and also you do not stand out as well. Because even I, with a very small following of maybe 300 followers or 200 subscribers, get around 2-3 messages from video editors daily, then imagine all those people who have thousands or millions of followers. How many messages would they get every day? But don't worry, later on this video I'm going to be telling you exactly how to stand out, get those clients, and make those dollars. So on to the first of the 3 strategies which I use to get clients as a video editor, and the first one is the close friend story method. First, you need to know that this option can be only used on Instagram. Like, this method is so good that you can easily reach out to some of the biggest creators using it. Recently I approached Simon Squibb, who has 2.3 million followers, and not only he saw the edit but also liked the video that I made for him. For this method, you have to create a short 30-second video for the prospect whom you want to work with. Then upload the edit on your story on Instagram and then press send to close friends. And then select the name of the prospect whom you made the edit for, and then wait for the prospect to view the edit and then respond. Now I know you must be thinking that what if it doesn't see the video? Now don't worry if the prospect doesn't see the video. What I do myself is that I upload all these videos to all my socials such as LinkedIn and Twitter, because this does not make a larger opportunity for the prospect to watch your edit, but also other people can watch your edit and potentially bringing in other potential clients who want to work with you. But what I did was that since I uploaded the video on LinkedIn, it got more than 3,600 views, and that helped me book a meeting. And I also uploaded the same video on Twitter, which helped me get 5 inbound leads asking me for my services. So instead of just one, I got 6 potential clients interested in my video editing services with just one 30-second reel. So that is why creating the video upfront is a win-win situation. And to be honest, people are just lazy, which means it is easier for you to stand out and get clients. Now we're moving on to the second outreach strategy that we use to get clients as a video editor, the free revamp method. This is the outreach method which helps me get the most replies and also solves the problem of the prospect not looking at your edits, and only message those people whom you can genuinely help and improve their videos. I personally use Instagram to find my prospects. You can use whatever you want. You can use Instagram, LinkedIn, or even Facebook works. This is the exact message which I send to prospects which you can copy. Hey XYZ, I would love to edit and revamp a reel for you for free to show you how I can improve the retention and style. I have generated X amount of views. Interested? Best your name. Now this is one of my favorite strategies because it not only takes out the risk of the prospect not responding to you, but also you'll get to upload all the videos on your socials so you get more inbound leads as well. Here is an example where I sent a message to a prospect, and after the edit was sent to the client, he was ready to work and it felt amazing. Now you have to send this message to at least 15 people a day. Now to track all these people, I use an Excel sheet tracker for all my prospects so that later on I can follow up these people, and generally the money is in the follow up. The tracker will be available for free for you to download in the description. Now another tip for this method is that if you want to get more replies from prospects, I would recommend you to optimize a social media profile. Your profile should look professional, and as well as there should be results shown for your prospects so that they can understand that you are someone legit and you know what you're doing. Now on to the final and last strategy that I use to get clients as a video editor, because it gets me the clients the most, which is posting before and after edits on social media. Now this strategy literally gives me 6 to 7 leads per week without even outreaching people, and it's super insane. So what you have to do is that you should be creating a preview of the video before you have edited it and after you have edited it. And now the best 2 platforms which I recommend you to post this video are on X and LinkedIn. This is because it has the best editing communities as well as the talent as well for video editors. But of course you cannot just randomly post on Twitter and LinkedIn and expect to get clients straight away. You have to follow a strategy, and I'm going to give you one. At the start, you need to be creating a network with people so that you can get more eyeballs and traffic on your posts. And the best way to do that is by engaging with other creators on the platform. And add these people on a notion list so you can engage with them regularly. And of course this template which you're seeing on the screen, it is available on the description as well for free. So what happens is that when people see that you engage with their posts regularly, these people will slowly start engaging with your posts as well, and keep adding people to that list till you have 60 to 50 people on that list. And yeah, as you will be posting regularly, you will get slowly the views and traffic on your posts as well. And also you have to try out trends that other people and editors are using that have gone viral and getting good results. Similarly, you can see that I implemented one myself as well, and yeah, I got good results as well. So yeah, that was it for this video, and yeah, hopefully you did like it and you found it valuable. Do let me know in the comments if you want me to make a tutorial of how I make animations like these step by step, so you guys can learn similarly how to edit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and do check out this recent video if you want to get more value from my videos. Until then, see you next time.